On September 16, the work of the meeting of the Collective Security Council of the Collective Security Treaty Organization began at the Palace of the Nation. The founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, and chairman of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, warmly and sincerely received the participants of the meeting, the heads of the member states of the Collective Security Treaty Organization. The meeting of the CSTO, Collective Security Council, was attended by the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, Prime Minister of Armenia Nikol, Pashinyan, President of the Republic of Belarus Alexander Lukashenko, President of the Republic of Kazakhstan Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, President of the Republic of Kyrgyzstan Sadyr Japarov, and Secretary General of the Collective Security Treaty Organization Stanislav Zas. President of the Russian Federation Vladimir Putin took part in the meeting in a virtual format. After the completion of the ceremony of photographing in a limited format the work of the meeting of the Collective Security Council of the Collective Security Treaty Organization began with the participation of the heads of the CSTO member states, and then continued with the participation of members of delegation in a wide composition. The President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Chairman of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, welcomed all the participants, heads of states of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, with arrival in Tajikistan. During the meeting, the subject of discussion was topical issues of international and regional security, the main results of the activities of the Collective Security Treaty Organization during the chairmanship of Tajikistan, the action plan for the implementation of the decisions of the meeting of the Collective Security Council, and the implementation of the priorities proposed by the Republic of Tajikistan, as well as topics related to the difficult situation in Afghanistan. In 2022, the chairmanship of the Collective Security Council will pass to the Armenian side. After discussing the issues following the meeting of the Collective Security Council of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, the declaration of the Collective Security Council of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, and 14 documents in total were signed. After the signing ceremony, the Secretary General of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, Stanislav Zas, held a press conference for a wide range of local and foreign journalists. Yesterday evening, at the residence of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan, the founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, in honor of the heads of the state of the Collective Security Treaty Organization and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, as well as the honorary guests of these events who take part in the meeting, the Collective Security Council of the Collective Security Treaty Organization, and the meeting of the Council of Heads of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, organized an unofficial banquet, which, with its warm and friendly atmosphere, turned into an evening of friendship. One of the auspicious corners of the residence was chosen for the evening of friendship. This event coincided with the historic celebration of the 30th anniversary of the state independence of the Republic of Tajikistan, the 20th anniversary of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, and the year of Tajikistan's chairmanship in the Collective Security Treaty Organization. It should be especially noted that the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, is one of the first founders and main initiators of the creation of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, together with the high-ranking guests of Tajikistan, President of the Republic of Belarus Alexander Lukashenko, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan Shavkat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Kazakhstan Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, Prime Minister of Armenia Nikol, Pashinyan, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan Imran, President Sadyr Japarov, and other guests went for an evening walk at the residence of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan. The guests' walk took place in a warm, sincere atmosphere of friendship and brotherhood. The guests enjoyed the green nature and fresh air of sunny Tajikistan, visited the exhibition of the natural resources of our paradise-like country. The exhibition of agricultural products and national dishes of Tajikistan was organized in an attractive corner of the residence of the government. On separate paths, each type of agricultural products was displayed in a special style, differently decorated. Dozens of types of fresh fruits of Tajikistan, various types of melons, fruits with a unique taste and quality, such as grapes, high-quality dried fruits, nuts and almonds, citrus fruits, and also tasted them and praised their quality. As it was emphasized during the acquaintance, the products of gardeners and wine growers of Tajikistan, dried fruits, various types of which were demonstrated tonight, are mostly considered export products, and our country is ready to cooperate with the interested CSTO member states SCO, and other countries in order to ensure them quality agricultural products. Indeed, Tajikistan is a sunny country with priceless natural resources, ecologically clean and high-quality products, and has gained immense popularity in the world in the field of fruits and vegetables, dried fruits, and delicious national cuisine. The traditional hospitality of Tajiks since ancient times has the characteristic features of friendship and sincerity. Tajikistan is also famous all over the world for its national dishes. Through various events, effective measures are taken to familiarize themselves with Tajik hospitality, history, and cultural. The rich culture of the nation's civilization present wide tourism opportunities, ancient folk crafts, and attract more foreign tourists. In the city residents, the heads of state also paid special attention to the fruitful and shade-forming trees in the garden on the territory of the residents, most of which were imported from abroad and planted personally by the President of the country, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon. It should be emphasized that the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, who is the pride of our state and people, has Tajik hospitality and respect the traditions and customs of the hospitality of our people. The leader of the nation, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, with the highest traditions of Tajik hospitality, is universally recognized and sincerely welcomes every guest of Tajikistan. The heads of state and other honorary guests were satisfied with the traditional Tajik warm hospitality which was shown by the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon, and once again got acquainted with the wide opportunities and resources of our country in the production of fruits, vegetables, and dried fruits, as well as all kinds of delicious dishes. High-ranking guests expressed their charm with the beautiful nature of Tajikistan and national Tajik cuisine and hospitality. Yesterday evening, a colorful concert program entitled Evening of Friendship was held at the Kohiborbat State Complex on the occasion of the Jubilee meeting of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of Heads of State. The grand concert program, Evening of Friendship, was a celebration of the history, civilization, traditions, and rich culture of the Tajik nation and the nations of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The concert program was attended by representatives of the SCO member states who got acquainted with the art and crafts of the SCO member states. Artists demonstrated high professionalism in the performance of songs that reflect the unity and friendship of the peoples and the nations of the member countries. It should be noted that the SCO focuses not only on political issues but also on economic and cultural ties. Mutual cooperation between countries in the fight against crime, as well as in the fields of cultural and education, science, and innovative technologies will be strengthened. The organization of a cultural program called Evening of Friendship promotes the development of cultural relations between the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and plays an important role in the development of art in the member states. The artistic program of the Evening of Friendship, which was very touching and memorable, was well received by the guests. The meeting of the Council of Heads of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, dedicated to the 20th anniversary of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, has started its work today in Dushanbe City. The main results of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization for 20 years, the state and prospects of multilateral cooperation within the organization will be discussed during the summit. The heads of state will exchange views on topical issues of regional and international cooperation and consider joint initiatives within the Shanghai Cooperation Organization to address the consequences of the crisis caused by the new coronavirus. The first meeting of the heads of the state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and the Collective Security Treaty Organization is also scheduled for today in Dushanbe City under the chairmanship of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahmon.